Hello guys, this is Your Websites, and in previous video we learned how to create the sticky unscroll header. Today I want to show you how to create the sticky unscroll header to the bottom of the page. Okay, so in previous video we created the web page like this. It looks just some content, so let's make our header, which is not sticky anymore, sticky to the bottom. For it, we need to go to our CSS code, find the header area, and write, as always, position fixed. Let's check how it works. Okay, it works not as we expected. Now we should make it width 100%, so it looks more better. We need to write that index 2 to make items available. You see, it's not available because it's behind other layers. Okay, now it's available. And now we need to reposition our header to be on the bottom of the page. For it, we need to write bottom 0, left 0. Let's check. Okay, so it works just like this. What do you think, guys? Do you like the result? I think it looks good. Maybe let's make this logo text white, so maybe it will be better. I'm not sure. Where is our logo? And here is. Let's try. Okay, it looks much better with white, so let's update the color 2 to white. Okay, maybe let's make it font size 60 pixels. Oops. Font size 60 pixels, a bit bigger, so it's 16 already. And maybe let's make it text transform uppercase. Okay, just like this. So this is our web page. Hope this video was helpful for you. Now you can reposition your header and make it sticky to the bottom of the page. It's nothing difficult. I want to remind that we just used the position fixed with 100%, that index 2. In your case, it can be if with that index 2 is not active header in your case, so you may need the z index header. So z index 10, z index 100, it totally depends on the other elements of the page you have. And we used bottom 0 and left 0 to make it sticky on the bottom. So this is our result. Let's make it full screen, and I think it looks pretty good. What I don't like about it is heroes section. I want to make it 100 view height. Okay, just like this. Great, isn't it? I hope you like the result. Don't forget to subscribe. It will be really super for my channel. And have a nice day. Bye bye.